Welcome to our channel. Today we're breaking down how you can get funding for your business through SBA loans, step by step and easy to follow. Step 1. Understand SBA loan options. The SBA doesn't lend money directly. Instead, it partners with lenders and guarantees part of the loan. Common programs include the 7A loan, 504 loan, and microloan. Pick the one that fits your funding goals. Step 2. Check your eligibility. SBA loans typically require a U.S.-based business, reasonable credit, ability to repay, and a clear business purpose for the funds. You must also operate as a for-profit business. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Gather your business plan, financial statements, tax returns, bank statements, ownership details, and any collateral information. Having these ready speeds up the process. Step 4. Find an SBA-approved lender. Visit the SBA's Lender Match tool or contact local banks, credit unions, and community lenders that participate in SBA programs. Compare their requirements and approval times. Step 5. Submit your loan application. Complete the lender's SBA loan application package, which may include forms like the SBA 1919, financial projections, and personal background documents. Provide accurate and consistent information. Step 6. Work with your lender through underwriting. Your lender will review your credit, financials, and business viability. Be ready for follow-up questions, additional documents, or clarification requests. Step 7. Receive approval and funding. Once approved, your lender finalizes the terms and you sign the loan documents. Funds are then dispersed directly to your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.